wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this.
Hello YouTube guys. Today I'm in front of the Hyundai Genesis dealership. Let's go inside and take a look at. This Azera costs $40k. This car has a 19 inches of wheel, which is not too bad. And here's the color collection of this Azera. And I have a review video of this Azera. Check this link for full Azera review. When I look at this Azera, the build quality of this car is so nice. It is different from Hyundai Elantra or Sonata. It is something more like Lexus ES feeling. This car is the flagship model of the Hyundai, so they made really carefully, and I think Hyundai did their best on this model. And this interior design, material, space, these are just nice and cool. And this car has a wide touchscreen all over the dashboard, including the colorful leather. The quality of this car is very different from 2011 Hyundai Azera. Okay, let's look at the Genesis on the second floor. Well, this is Genesis G80. Let me see how much is it. This Genesis is 73.75 million in Korean won. It is 57.8k USD. So between this Genesis and the Azera that we just checked, they have around $70 in price difference. Technically, this Genesis has rear-wheel drive system, so the engine is located like BMW and Mercedes. And the Azera has front-wheel drive systems. It is like more Toyota, Honda type. In the interior, I can realize this quickly. The leather quality is different. Genesis leather looks more luxurious. It is because it is more expensive car, so it has a better leather. It is true. The leather of the Genesis really soft and good. And the dashboard design, to be honest, the Azera design looks more fancy one. However, Genesis has a classical interior design, but it seems like it needs a new model change pretty soon, like a facelift. And of course, this is a rear-wheel drive car, so it is fun to drive. That's why the Genesis gets this big brake. It looks strong. The Hyundai Azera doesn't have a big brake. Even the V6 model of the Azera also has a normal brake. Of course, Genesis is faster than Azera. Genesis is more fun to drive. However, for the family car use, the Azera has a spacious interior. Also, the trunk is larger than G80. One big difference is ride comfort. Hyundai Azera has really soft ride comfort compared to this Genesis G80. Genesis is more like European cars like BMW. The Azera is more like Asian cars like Lexus ES. Both models have green environment models. Genesis G80 has electric vehicle and the Azera has a hybrid model. The build quality of both cars is similar. The different things are the material and the structure difference. In summary, the Genesis and Hyundai Azera looks like competitor in the market. However, these two cars have very different characteristics. They are not in the same target buyer zone. Genesis G80 is like Korean BMW 5 Series. The Azera is like the Korean version of the Lexus ES. So the Genesis is premium Hyundai, which has a rear-wheel drivetrain cars. That's why this car is more expensive than Hyundai Azera. I think the Hyundai Azera is more efficient selection. I recommend Hyundai Azera because this Genesis G80, it is way too expensive compared to Hyundai Azera. If you compare to buying like 5 Series or Audi A6, this G80 can be an efficient selection. This car has a similar powertrain, but it is cheaper than BMW or Audi, Mercedes. But compared to Hyundai Azera, this car doesn't have benefit. I already test drive both of cars. Hyundai Azera focused on better ride comfort. So it is based on the front-wheel drive and focused on the space and the comfort. The Genesis G80 is like more Euro type of car because it has a rear-wheel drivetrain. But if you consider to buy a car for family or just daily, the Hyundai Azera is a great option. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Please leave a comment if you like this video or question or something. Thank you. Here is my another video you may like. Thanks for watching.